Meaning of half moon.
Half moon.
Half moon.
Half moon.
Half moon. Half moon refers to the shape of the moon when it appears as a semicircle in the sky. It is called a half moon because only half of its illuminated surface is visible from Earth. The term is also used to describe a shape or object that resembles a semicircle, such as a half moon pose in yoga or a half moon table. Half moon shapes can often be found in various designs, from architecture to jewelry. In general, the half moon shape represents balance and harmony, as well as the cyclical nature of life and time.